Good morning, I'm Alec. I'm a service administrator here at Lexus.
My name is Justin. I'm a service manager down here at Lexus RiverCenter.
And a lot of the calls that I get, especially in the winters, when someone has a dead battery in their windows, when you press it once, it doesn't go all the way down like auto windows. So what you want to do in that situation is you're going to come to each window. We'll first turn on the battery.
Once you have the battery replaced, of course.
Yes. And you're going to just crack it like that much on each window. You're just going to go around every single one. And then once you do that, you're going to come to each door and then just hold up for like 5 seconds. And that should reset the timing.
Once you do that, you'll be able to operate from the master switch. So once you replace the battery, cars very typically will lose memory. So you'll usually see radio presets, your windows won't work properly, which I'll just explain how to fix that. But these are all things that we do down here at Lexus RiverCenter on a normal, everyday basis. So if you ever have a battery issue, you don't feel like messing with any of this, by all means, we have batteries in stock ready to go. We'll get you in and out in no time. Alec might be able to come out to the drive and even do it for you. It's that quick and easy. But again, if you do have a battery issue, go to each window, crack it, put it back up and hold that button up for about 5 seconds, and that'll get that auto one-touch feature on every window to work properly. So if you have any questions, don't call me again, call Alec. Thank you.
Thank you.